Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am standing in Cooper's nursery. This is Cooper Dale, and we are going to show you around his nursery today. If you missed his birth story, you can check out right here to go see that video. And there's a few things missing in here. You'll notice there's not like a changing table or anything like that. He sleeps in a bassinet in our room, and his changing table and all that stuff is in there. So if you want to see like a little setup of how all the things we have in our room for him, then just let me know down below so I know to film that for you guys. But let's get started. So this is his crib. The crib is from IKEA. It's like less than $100. It's very just minimal, basic crib. I really like that about it. The bedding is from Toys R Us. We got it at like 75% off. So the bedding and the comforter has a cute little bear print on the other side of it. And the mobile are all from Toys R Us. He really likes the mobile. I can lay him under it and turn it on, and it he'll sit there and watch it for a while. Over here I have our little glider area. The glider is from Sam's Club. It's really comfortable. I really like it. It was a good deal. We bought it on sale and they shipped it to the house for free. The picture up there is from Hobby Lobby. He really likes that because it's high contrast, so if I'm sitting with him, he will just look over my shoulder at it and stare at it. He really likes it. The little dog is a little present. This is just a swaddle blanket that has a cute little bear mountain print. It was a gift, but I'm pretty sure the brand is Serenomi, I think is how you say it. And then the ottoman we have here is from Target. It was just in like the home area section. It's not like made for nurseries, but I like the way it looked in the room. I think it's really cute. And then this end table, I really like this. It kind of looks like it's like a tree stump or something. We bought this at Ross, but I've also seen it at TJ Maxx too. So we got that. The curtains are from Target. I'm pretty sure they still have them available. And then the curtain rod we got from Target too, but I like it because it's made for blackout curtains, so the curtains can go all the way against the wall. So when they're closed, it's really, really dark in here. This rocking chair is actually a rocking chair that I had when I was a little girl, so it's kind of cool to have it to pass down to him. The bear stuffed animal we got at Toys R Us. Everything was marked down. It's like the matching stuffed animal from his bedding. And then the same with the frog, actually. That's also from Toys R Us. And then over here, we've got his dresser. Once he comes and starts sleeping in his room, this will be like the changing area, and I'll have his changing pad on it and stuff. But right now, it's just his dresser. The lamp we got at Target, and I really like it. It's really bright, and I think it's a really nice lamp. It's bright enough to where if I turn it on and turn the overhead off, it lights the room up just like the perfect amount. The pictures are from Target. They came as a set of 3. We got them on clearance, so I don't know that they're available still. And then that little baby Cooper sign that's above the middle one was actually his cake topper from my baby shower. So it says Baby Cooper, and we made that, but I've seen them on Etsy too that you can buy them. By the time I bought the material, I could have just bought it from Etsy, so save yourself a little bit of a headache and do that. This over here is also from Target. It's just a little birdhouse nightlight. You can turn it on so it stays on, or you can set it on a 3-hour timer. So really quick, I'll show you what I have in his drawers, just so you guys know, because I'd be curious. This is kind of his junk drawer. I've got like an extra wet dry bag, a little fan to hook on his stroller come summer. This is just wipes. I've got like 1 extra diaper. This is kind of some medical things, thermometers and Frida things. And this dresser's from IKEA, by the way. I really like it. It's a good height and everything. This is just some hygiene products for him. Blankets and bibs. Blankets. More kind of a few clothes, some sheets. And this one is clothes that he hasn't grown into yet. The clothes that he is currently in are in our room because, like I said, his changing table is in our room. That's where he stays, so we get him dressed in our room. So the clothes that he's in right now are in there. Over here in the corner, I've got a little air purifier by, I think it's Levoit. That was actually sent to me by the company, but I do really like it. I think it's pretty nice. I'll link it down below for you guys if you're interested in it. And then over here, I really like this little area. These shells are from Hobby Lobby, and this is a little Precious Moments elephant that was a gift from his papa to him at my baby shower. So that's that. Of little shoes. This was a gift. The adventure begins after my nap. This is a little park ranger doll that we thought was cute and would go in his room. And we got that at a visitor center at a state park. And then another little pair of shoes, which I don't think these will even fit him anymore. They're so little. And then this night light says good night. It's little mountains. It's from Target. And then the last thing I wanted to show you guys is the rug in here, which is also from Target. So I really like that. I like that there's no backing on it, so I can throw it in the washer. That was one thing that was important to me, especially having 3 dogs in the house, was that the rug could get washed at home. I didn't have to like take it to a dry cleaner or something like that, because I wanted to make sure I could wash it often and it would stay clean, since he's going to be rolling around on it here in a little few months or so. So I wanted to make sure I could wash it at home. I think that's everything I wanted to show you guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you had any questions about anything in his room, you can ask me down below. If there's anything that you want me to find a link for that you aren't able to find, I can do my best to find a link. Just let me know that you're trying to find it. And if you want to see his setup in our bedroom, let me know that too. So I will talk to y'all in the next one. I hope you have a really blessed day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.